Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Cid, and you know what time it is. It's cafecito time. Welcome to my channel where I make videos on coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee. So I took a little break and didn't post for a week. Had to take care of some personal things, but I'm back. I'm back with a brand new video with a brand new coffee. And I just wanted to remind everybody I am doing my 2-year YouTube channel anniversary video and giveaway, and I'm going to do a Q&A video. So if you have a question you want to ask me, don't forget to leave it in the comments. Just put Q&A with your question and I will answer it in my 2-year anniversary video, which is coming up this month. I have to check the exact date, but I know it's mid-late February. So yeah, if you want to celebrate with me, ask me a question, leave it in the comments. I will answer it and I will have a giveaway to share something fun with all of you guys. So today's video, I'm going to do a review of the very, very anticipated limited edition Blue Mountain, Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee. This is brand new. It was just released this week, I believe, on, what was the release date? February 2nd, 3rd? I don't know. I always forget the exact dates, but it's available now on the Nespresso website. And remember, I always say, if you want to try these limited edition coffees, make sure you order ASAP right away. Don't wait because it will sell out. This one is for the original line, so it's the smaller capsules. And yeah, they've been talking about this for a while. It is out. Very, very excited. This is a special reserve. So Blue Mountain coffee is supposed to be more rare, so it's quite expensive. And I kind of gasped a little bit when I saw the price. $20. Yes, $20 for a sleeve of 10 capsules. Pricey, but this coffee is supposed to be very delicious and rare, only grown up high in the mountains. So it makes it quite rare and special, and the box is very pretty. Look at that. That's the box, and this is a espresso, 1.35 fluid ounces. They recommend you drink it as an espresso and a 7 intensity. And voila, this is what the beautiful capsules look like. You guys know I was going to drop it, right? There it is, beautiful Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee. Look at that beautiful capsule. I love the color. Color is beautiful. And let's see, let's give a little details about it. Like I said, intensity 7. Cup size, they recommend espresso shot. Aromatic profile is woody and earthy. And aromatic notes is pepper. That's a new one. I don't think I've had a peppery coffee before. It is cinnamon, nutmeg. Okay, cinnamon, nutmeg I like. It says it's steep slopes, volcanic soils, and island mist are ideal for the Arabica territory. Rich. Spice notes of this rare crop make Jamaica Blue Mountain worthy of its protected name. I've heard of Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee. I've never tried it. It's kind of rare. You don't find it just at any local grocery store, even a local coffee shop. And from what I've heard, it's expensive to buy like a whole pound of coffee. So yes, 20 bucks is kind of a lot for this, but it's something that's like a treat, I guess. You're not going to drink this daily unless you're rich. You got the money to spend on a lot of capsules. I do not. But of course, I had to try it. Limited edition, special reserve, all that fancy marketing stuff they get us with, right? Okay, so let's try it out. So there it is. There it is. Doesn't have a whole lot of crema like some other coffees. Okay. So it says peppery, nutmeg, cinnamon. I don't smell. Okay, I just got a whiff of the cinnamon. Not really peppery, but cinnamon. Okay, let's taste it. Cheers to you all. Cafecito. I don't know. It's a 7, so it's not a really intense coffee, but it's very smooth. Very smooth, actually. I'm not getting no pepper. Let's see. It says it is woody, earthy, pepper, cinnamon, nutmeg. I got a little cinnamon in the scent, but not the taste. It's pretty good. It's very smooth and not very bold and intense, like kind of medium-ish boldness. Do I think it's worth the $20? I think it's worth the $20 to taste it, buy it, taste it. It's obviously like a treat coffee, not something I'm going to be drinking every day for the price. Am I going to be buying tons of it? No, I don't. Honestly, I don't think this wowed me the way I thought it would. You know, because you hear so much online. People are so excited. Everyone's going crazy buying this. It's good, but I'm not wowed. I'm not wowed to the point where I'm buying tons of boxes to have this. I did buy 3 boxes, so I will keep this because, you know, these last for a long time, and I will drink it throughout the year. But Jamaica Blue Mountain, you didn't blow my mind. I was hoping to be blown away and just like, oh my God, this is like delicious, bestest coffee I've ever had. No, I don't feel that way. And so I'm a little sad, but it is good. Definitely drink it alone as a shot. I'm not even putting any cream, any sugar, and nothing in this because it is very, very smooth, not very acidic, that you can just drink it as a shot. I don't think this would be a coffee you should add a lot of like creamer, sugar, syrups, because for $2 a capsule, you want to taste the coffee. You want to enjoy, you know, the notes and aromas and all that fun stuff. Should you buy it? If you are a coffee connoisseur and have never had Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee and are very curious like I was, buy one, buy a sleeve, spend the $20. I think it's good, smooth, but I don't think it's something that I'm going to buy a ton of and just stockpile these. There's other coffees that I think I liked better that were the limited edition, like the Puerto Rico. That one actually has been my favorite of like the special limited edition coffees. I still have a couple. Let's see. I still have, I think, yes, here it is. Puerto Rico. This one I think was $13, I believe, for a sleeve. This one wowed me. This one was like, wow, I really like that coffee. Definitely should have bought more of those. But you know me, I want to try all the coffees, all the flavors. If it's new, if it's different, I want to try it. So you guys, let me know if you try the original line Jamaica Blue coffee. This only comes in original line. You're not going to find this in the Virtuo, at least not yet. Let's cross our fingers and hope it comes for the Virtuo. Right now, it's only for the original line. It's good, very good. But if you are, you know, trying to save money or conscious about money and don't want to spend $20, then don't buy it. There's other really good coffees from Nespresso. If you are like me and, you know, have FOMO, don't want to be left out, and must try it, then at least order one. I don't think you'll really be disappointed. I'm not disappointed. I'm just not wowed. I guess my expectations were, you know, higher than they should have been. But it's good. Jamaica Blue Mountain. Try it. Original line. $20 for 10. And the box opens up like this. Like I said, I bought a couple boxes because I thought I was going to be amazed. Wow, like this is the most delicious, best coffee I've ever had. It's really good, but it's not the best coffee I've ever had. I think I've had other coffees that are really good, just as good. And like I said, other coffees have a wowed me more than this one. So that's it, guys. That's my review. Jamaica Blue Mountain from Nespresso original line. Buy it. It's going to sell out. It's limited edition. It's only around for, you know, as long as they have it in stock. So try it. So that's it, guys. That's my review. Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee for original line Nespresso. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Subscribe because we are getting very close to giving away that Nespresso machine. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're going to do the giveaway. And I'm also doing a 2-year channel anniversary giveaway. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notifications so you know when our videos are coming. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Helps us grow, helps other people find our videos. And share our videos with your coffee-loving friends. If you know someone that would enjoy this video and review, share it with them. And help us get our channel out there. So that's it, guys. We'll see you next week. Thanks for watching and go enjoy some cafecito.